So welcome student. So today we are doing this experiment, the click chemistry. That is one of the very modern and important reaction to synthesize many biologically and catalytically active compounds. And so from the name click chemistry, you understand that this is a reaction between azide and a triple bond, that is the carbon-carbon triple bond, and we will form a heterocyclic compound and that contains 3 nitrogen units. So for this reaction, the reagents we need are benzyl azide. So benzyl azide that we have to synthesize in the lab. So we have already synthesized benzyl azide last night for this purpose. And then we need this phenol propargyl. So that is the carbon-carbon triple bond, and sodium ascorbate, copper sulfate, pentahydrate, and tertiary butanol ammonium hydroxide. So what we will do, first we will add 0.3 gram of phenyl azide, that means the benzyl azide, to a solution of 0.3 gram of phenol propargyl in 10 ml butanol and water 1:1 ratio. That means 5 ml butanol and 5 ml water. So we will take 5 ml butanol and 5 ml water in a beaker, and then we will add 0.3 gram, that means approximately 0.3 ml of phenyl propargyl in that solution. So we have taken the butanol and water. Now we are adding 5 ml butanol to 5 ml water. That is the tertiary butyl alcohol. And to this solution we will add 0.3 gram of phenol propargyl. So now we are adding 0.3 ml phenol propargyl using this syringe. Phenol propargyl, so it's a liquid. And to this mixture now we will add our synthesized benzyl azide 0.3 gram. So benzyl azide, this is also a liquid, so we will add 0.3 gram using this syringe. This will not go inside. Okay, so we have added this phenol benzyl azide to this mixture 0.3 gram, and now we are stirring this solution, and so you can see both the liquids in tertiary butanol water mixture, they mixed properly, and now we will add copper sulfate pentahydrate and sodium ascorbate. So we are now adding copper sulfate pentahydrate and sodium ascorbate, 50 milligram sodium ascorbate. So we'll start this for few minutes, and then we'll heat it at 60 degrees centigrade for 2 hours. So you can see already the yellow precipitates are coming out, so that is due to formation of azide, and the reaction between azide and the phenol propargyl, so the click chemistry is taking place. So to complete the reaction, now we will heat it at 60 degrees centigrade for 2 hours. And we will occasionally stir it. So after 120 minutes heating at 60 degrees centigrade, now you can see that we have brown color or light yellow color precipitate, and now we are diluting the reaction mixture with water, and then we will add ammonium hydroxide solution, 5 ml ammonium hydroxide solution to this reaction mixture. So first we are diluting with water, and now we are adding ammonium hydroxide solution 5 ml to this reaction mixture. So we have this precipitate yellow color, yellow solid, and now we will filter this yellow solid and wash with cold water. So now we are filtering the yellow precipitate. So you can see we have very nice yellow precipitate. We have set the aspirator, the Bugner funnel with filter paper, and now we are filtering the precipitate. So nice yellow color precipitate of click reactions we obtain. And we are washing the precipitate with cold water. So we can recrystallize this precipitate from methanol, and we will study the compound with various spectroscopic technique like FTIR, UV visible and NMR spectroscopy.